Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are creating this beautiful look together. So this is suitable for your work, for your daily routine. So without wasting any time, let's get started now. Without wasting any time, let's get started now. Actually, I already put moisturizer on my face and my sunscreen because I'm applying the sunscreen and the moisturizer about 1 hour before makeup. So it's good for foundation to absorb in the skin. I'm going to apply my primer. All have pores on our skin, so this primer is very good for the to hide all the pores. Now my prep is done. Poke my eye with my nail.
No! God, please, no!
So after the eyebrows, now I'm applying this MAC eyeshadow primer on my lid. As you know, without eyeshadow primer, we cannot see your eyeshadows. Now I'm going to set this primer with the Sephora powder. For eyeshadow, I'm using my Huda Beauty palette, light pink shade, which can go to my skin tone. Just grabbing little dust off. If you want, then just circular motion. And one more thing I'm telling you, mostly we are ordering the cosmetics or something like that, it's coming in like this package. So please, this like a foam package like that. So please don't throw that. I figure out I can also clean my brush with this also. This is very useful to clean the brush while we are using eyeshadows, different colors or like that. Now see, you can see the shadow is going from here. It's looking dirty or messy here, so don't worry, I will also show you how you can clean from here. So now for now I'm going to add this which one I will apply the shimmer, like this something like pinkish silver I can apply on the lid, but mostly I'm applying on the eyeball, which is looking so pretty. Just dab it, getting so nice effect, you see. You can take one makeup remover wipe, but this wipe is so nice and handy. We don't need two things to carry. Look, see. And one more tip I'm going to share with you. Sometimes our eyeliner is not perfect, so you just grab one black eyeshadow, put it in the smallest brush, and you can fix the mistakes. And you can fill all the gaps. And my next step is, now I'm going to correct my dark circles. I'm using the corrector. I have to dab it to should go inside the skin, not to remove from the skin. Now I'm using some hydrating spray to hydrate my skin. This is the Max Fixing Spray, which I've been using while I'm doing makeup. Foundation. This is Huda Beauty foundation. I'm using the stick one. This is very lightweight, and this is also medium coverage and good for daily routine. So I'm going to apply the foundation. My number is 21. Applying little mist on the brush. For the concealer, I'm using this concealer from the Tarte. You see the coverage. It's the best concealer, I would say. The contouring, you can on the middle finger and on the thumb. This you can just press here, press here, press here, and press. I have a nail, so I cannot do properly actually. So you have to press here, then you can use the third finger, because if you will use the same finger, it will look a lot. So you don't need a lot actually. Even I didn't use any brush for this part. Like this, you see. And on the middle you can take little the highlighter. You see, it's nice. It's looking nice. The same pink shade I'm grabbing, and then I'm just doing on the lash line. I will suggest you can also use a black little on the edges. Now I'm going to apply the powder to set my under eye. For that I'm using this Gosh one. It's nice waterproof setting powder. And taking the powder and little clean and set your under eye till here. It's very nice. You can see the smooth finish. Now I'm going to apply the blush. I'm using the glam, the pink color. I really like the glam blushes. Just 3. On top of that, I'm applying the powdery one, so it will give a nice effect. For the blush and highlighter, I'm using this Kashi's palette. This is very good. I'm grabbing this pink and peach. I'm applying this one. This is nice and glossy lipstick. And one lasting mascara. The eyelash comb. After apply the mascara, you can comb your lash. You see. So yeah, here you go, my all makeup look. So the good thing is you can apply this makeup on your daily routine if you are going office or you are going outside, anywhere you are going, especially this look is for the daytime, so you can apply in your daily life. So I hope you like this look. Follow my channel, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, have a good day. Bye.